Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Sense with Samuel, the channel where we make technology make sense for your life and your pocket. Let me start with a simple but powerful truth. In 2026, being broke is no longer just about lack of money, it's about lack of information and lack of action. We are living in a time where your smartphone is more powerful than a computer that sent human to the moon. Yet, many people still use it only for scrolling, gossip and entertainment. So today's topic is why you should not be broke in the year 2026. Tech tips that can change your life forever. This is not about get rich quick scheme. This is about real legal practical ways you can start using technology to build your income, skills and financial freedom. If you're ready to upgrade your mindset and your money, stay with me to the end of this video. Let's be honest with ourselves. In 2026, inflation is real. Jobs are more competitive. The cost of living keeps rising every day. And relying on only one source of income is becoming more dangerous every year. But here is the good news. This is also the best time in human history to make money online. Today you can learn skill for free on YouTube. You can start a business without a shop. You can reach customers without renting an office. You can earn in dollars while living in Nigeria or anywhere else. So if someone is still broke in the year 2026, it is not only because they are lazy. Sometimes it's because they don't know what to do. They are afraid to start. They think tech money is only for computer people, or they waste time instead of investing it. Let me tell you this clearly. You don't need to be genius. You don't need a big capital. You don't need connection. You just need a smartphone, data, consistency, and the right information. The first reason you should not be broke in the year 2026 is this. Digital skills are the new oil. If you can do any of these, you can make money online. Graphic design, video editing, website creation, social media management, copywriting, UI UX design, data analysis, cybersecurity basics, app testing, virtual assistants. And the shocking part is this. You can learn almost all of these for free. Yeah, you hear me right. You can learn everything for free from platforms like YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, FreeCodeCamp, Google Digital Skill, Facebook Blueprint. You don't need to master everything at once. Just pick one skill and go deep. Imagine this: instead of spending 3 hours daily on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, etc., spend 1 hour. Spend 1 hour learning a skill. In 3 months, your life will never remain the same. You heard me right. Spend 1 hour every day in 3 months, and you will come back to this video and come and drop a comment. So the action step I'm going to give you, the first action step I'm going to give is this. Pause this video later. Write down one digital skill you want to learn. Start today. Most people use their phone for chatting, watching movie, gossip blogs, comedy skits, online fights. But smart people, they use their phone for learning, for creating, for selling, for marketing, for networking. So here are simple ways to turn your phone into money-making machine. Number 1, start a content page on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Pick a niche. Pick what you are good at. Pick something you love doing and start creating content. You can start the 10 tips, cooking, comedy, motivation, fashion, fitness, business tips. Grow the page. Monetize with ads, brand deals, or selling your own products online. Another way you can turn your phone into a money-making machine is by online selling. I've mentioned this before in one of my videos. Use WhatsApp Business, sell clothes, food, digital products, phone accessory, beauty products. Another way you can use your phone and turn it into a money-making machine is by using it for on a freelancing app. Register on Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour. All these freelancing apps, they offer services like writing, design, social media management, and so on and so forth. Another way you can turn your phone into a money-making machine is by affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products on your page using a unique link, using a unique URL. Once people purchase that product via your page, on your page, they get commission. It's as simple as that. Another action step I'm going to give you is this. Decide today, I am going to keep using my phone for fun today. I am going to keep using my phone for fun only. Or I am going to make it work for me. I'm going to use my phone to start making money from today. In 2026, depending on one's salary is very risky. Tech allow you to build active income, passive income, semi-passive income. Example, YouTube channel. blog, online course, digital products, e.g. ebook template, and so on, stock photos, print on demand, crypto and stock. You can share knowledge on crypto, you can share knowledge on stock. You don't have to start everything at once. Start one, grow it, then add another one. Remember, rich people don't work harder, they work smarter. They build systems that make money even when they sleep. So let me say something painful but true. Some people are not broke because they are poor. They are broke because they are undisciplined. They spend too much time on social media, too much money on subscription, too much energy on drama, too much attention on trends. In 2026, discipline is super power. If you can wake up early, learn daily, save small money, invest wisely, avoid useless spending, you will automatically move ahead of 90% of people. Another action step I want to give you is delete one useless app today on your phone. Use that time you spend on your app, use it to learn something profitable today. Let me end with this. You don't have to be broke in 2026. You don't have to struggle forever. You don't have to wait for the government or miracle to happen. Everything you need is already in your hands. Your phone, your brain, your time, your internet. The only question is, what will you do with them? If this video inspires you, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Sense with Samuel. Drop a comment. I choose growth in 2026. I want you to write under the video, I choose to use my phone to make money in 2026. Until next time, stay smart, stay focused, stay winning.